Hey everyone, thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw strawberries. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. One more thing, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that right now. Awesome. Well, let's go get down to it. Let's go see what we can do.
For the first step, we're going to begin by making the leaves as well as the stem for the top of our first strawberry. Awesome, that looks great. Now we're going to make almost a heart-like shape for underneath the leaves that we just made for the bottom of our strawberry. Fantastic start. Now let's move a little bit over to the left where we will begin to make our second strawberry. Now one of the last steps will be to add in our strawberry seeds. You can add in your strawberry seeds wherever you would like, or you can follow where I add mine. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color your strawberries with us.